children, this is Nisha here, your English teacher from Mangla Vidya Mandira. So children, in last class what we have learned? We have learnt a lesson named Neha's alarm clock. Okay, so but we haven't started with the exercise, and I believe you have read the lesson almost 2 to 3 times. So we'll start with the exercise today. The very first main is draw a clock in classwork notebook. So first what you have to do, children, you have to draw a beautiful clock in your classwork notebook, and you have to just color it. Okay, so that is the first main. Second main is about keywords. So these keywords you have to write 2 times. So the very first word is what? Snuggles. What is the first word, children? Snuggles. Snuggles means settle or move in a comfortable position. That is called snuggles. Second is mutters. Mutter means something you are saying in a very low voice, in a very low sound. That is called mutter. Windowsill. Windowsill means what? A bottom part of the window. That is called windowsill, where the birds are coming and sitting. That is called windowsill. Next one is covering. Covering means to cover up something. Again next one is chirpy. Chirpy means chirping sound of a bird. Chi sound will come. That is called chirping of a bird. Next one is snores. Snores means while sleeping, children, you make some sort of sound. That is called snoring. Snores. Next one is sleeping. After that is afternoon. So these are the keywords which you have to write it in the classwork notebook. Moving to the next main, children. Reading is fun. So open page number 10. Textbook, be prepared with your page number 10. The very first one, it's all 3 MCQs are there where we need to find the correct answer. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? So what time did Neha's clock ring? Like morning, as soon as she woke up, like some particular timing is there where the clock rings. It is 6 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Okay, what time it rings, children? Have you remember? We have already gone through the lesson. So do you remember which time it rings? So this rings at what time? At 6 o'clock in the morning. Next one is, what did the bird say? What did the bird say to Neha? The bird said to sleep on, or to wake up, or go and play. So the bird said, okay, wake up. The bird, what the bird is telling to Neha? To wake up. Next one is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Okay, what is inside you? So some particular timing when it comes in the morning, you automatically woke up. Okay, so what is that inside you? The poet is asking like that, the author is asking like that. So our body clock, or eyes, or our feet. So it is basically our body clock which makes you wake up early in the morning. So this is the main which you have to do it in the textbook only, children. You don't have to write it in the classwork. Moving to the next main. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. So this is the jumbled words which has been given here. You have to form it into a meaningful word. So the very first word they have already given is ILESM, that is smile. Second one is MRALA. What does it mean, children? Make it into a meaningful word, that is alarm. Okay. The next one is OCKLC. It is clock. Next one is NORMING, that is morning. Next one is EDORNS, that is snowed. Next one is WODWIN. What is that word, children? Window. So moving to the next main, this you have to write it in the classwork. Now let's talk about, let's listen and talk. Now there are few sounds which you can heard and few sounds your friends can heard. So that 2 columns are given. This thing you have to do it in the textbook only. No need to write it in the classwork. So sounds you can heard, children. So very first picture what they have shown is car. Okay, so the traffic sound you can hear, the vehicle sound you can hear. You can write either traffic or vehicle. Now second picture is girl. The girl is talking. Even the talking sound also you can hear. So talking. Next one is chirping of birds. Tree is already shown here. The tree image is there where you have to mention chirping of birds. The next one is what? Cool wind. Okay, next one is what? Cool wind. Then horn of a rickshaw. Here there is a picture of horn where you have to just write it down. Horn of a rickshaw. Sounds your friends heard. Okay, so in that column, like if you talk with your friend, you can hear the sound, correct? So talking with a friend, like sound of shutters, or if a shop is getting opened, so that shutter opening sound will be there, and that also you can mention in the column. Then early in the morning sound, birds chirping sound, again it will be there, that also you can mention. In early morning you can listen to the milkman's voice, paper wala voice, those things also you can mention in that. At the same time, radio sound, TV sound, those words also you can write it down. So moving to the next main, if there is no clock in the house to wake up in the morning, how will you get up? So how will you wake up if there is no clock? Means you will wake up by your own. As I discussed, there will be a body clock inside your body that will make you to get up early in the morning. So what are the different ways of knowing the time during the days? So there are different kinds of ways, there are different types of ways through which we can know the timing. Like if you have a wristwatch, through a wristwatch you will get to know the time. At the same time, wall clock, even the mobile phone, you can understand like what time is going on. You can even through the sunlight also, children, sometimes you will get to know what time is, what is the correct time. So that through the help of the sunlight also you will get to know. Moving to the next main, page number 12, that is a word building. The children, you have to try to do it by yourself. There are few words given in the box, you need to find out from the puzzle that which all words will be there, and you just have to mark it out. Okay, if you are facing any difficulty, post it in the group, I will help it out. Moving to the next one, that is page number 13, children. Who said these words and to whom? Now this is something, who said to whom. There are few sentences given, children. So somebody has told to someone, which we need to find it out, who has said to whom. So the very first one is, wake up dear, wake up fast. So who has told this? Mama has told? No, it has told by birds. Birds in this lesson has told, wake up dear, wake up fast. So birds to Neha, to whom they have told? Birds said to Neha. Now the second one is, Ma, who wake me up today? That is who told this sentence? This is said by Neha to mother. So Neha said to mother, Ma, who woke me up today? The next one is, why did you sleep at 9 every night? So this is said by mother to Neha. So this you have to do it in the textbook as well as in the class book. I have given you the PDF along with I am going to send a PDF along with the video. So just find it out from the PDF how we have to write it down in the classwork. Moving to the next main, children, there is a box where two words are given, was and where. Okay, use the help box to fill in the blanks. Now always remember, was we will use when there is only one particular person. We are talking about singular, one particular person. Where we used when there are more than one person. That is about when we talk about plural things, that time we are using where. For one person we will be using was. The very first sentence, Ram dash a good football player. Now here I am talking about only one person, that is named as Ram. So what we will use here? Was. Ram was a good football player. Second, the cows. Here again I am not talking about one cow. There are cows, more than one cows. The cows dash grazing in the field. The cows were grazing in the field. Next one is, my toys. Again more than one, plural. My toys were broken. Next one is, her frock. I am talking about one person's frock here. Her frock dash too long. Her frock was too long. Next one, the market was closed. I am talking about only one market. The market was closed. Next one, the children. If child means one, but children I am talking is more than one. Many children are there. The children were happy. Next one is, the flowers were kept in the vase. Again I am talking about more than one flower. Moving to the next main, look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. So there are few words given in the box, children. So we have to just go through the words. The very first one is pulled out, second is inside, number 3 called out, then behind, then under. So these are the words which you have to place it in the blanks what is given in the paragraph. So it's a complete one paragraph is given where you have to fill it these words. So shall we start, children? Read with me. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind a door. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out, Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. So this is the complete paragraph where we have filled it with the words what is given in the box. This also you have to write it in the textbook only, children. No need to write it in the classwork. Moving to the next main. Here is a word clock. Write down words relating to clock. So this also again you have to do it in the textbook only. Like make a sentence. I got up hearing the ringing sound of my alarm. Okay, so here the clock sound is there. So two pictures are there. The very first picture is about clock. What we have to do, you have to make a sentence and write it in the box. So what sound you will get it? Tick tick. And another word of clock is what? Watch. So you have to draw a picture of also of a clock. And one more word you can use it, that word in your language. Which language you are comfortable, that you can write it. So I am just suggesting you to write in Hindi, that you can write it as a ghadi. The next one is name different parts of parts or times. Okay, so different parts you can mention like key, pendulum, or you can write the time also, alarm you can mention. So this box you have to fill it with few sentences as well as words. Moving down, here is a word morning. Now write down words related to it. So here again morning, what are things you see in the morning, that you have to fill it in the box like dawn, sunrise, sun, daylight, chirping birds, yoga. So children, this exercise you have to do it by yourself. No need to write it in the classbook, children. You have to do it in the textbook only. So till now I hope you understood all the exercise. In case if you are having any doubt, you can just post it in the group. And one more thing, your assessment test is going to start from 21st September. So be prepared, read each and every sentence of both the lesson, children, because MCQs will be given from the 2 lessons. So just go through the lessons thoroughly. So you will not find any difficulty. Okay, so till now, thank you, children. Have a nice time.